We're back. How you doing? This is Travis Witherspoon from Carter Cow Capital, helping you fight for your financial freedom throughout the Forex market. And here's your trader's tip today. Now, Warren Buffett ended up making this statement. He ended up saying, if you do not find a way to be able to make money while you're asleep, you're going to end up working until you die. Now, think about that. That is very important on the next topic that I'm going to be able to talk about. You have to be able to figure out a way to be able to create passive income. Now, let's think about this. If you have a 9-to-5 job, what you're basically end up doing is that you're trading time for money. Well, that means that if you do not work, you do not make any money. Well, for some people, that's actually okay. For some people, that's fine. Me personally, and the people that are looking at this page, hopefully you don't feel that way. You have to be able to build income streams. And the only way that you can be able to build income streams is that you have to be able to find ways to be able to create passive income, right? Everyone has 24 hours out of the day, but I use my 24 hours out of the day different than what you end up doing, right? So how are you going to end up creating different passive income strategies to be able to, one, get to that way that you can be able to retire early and be able to do everything that you want to be able to do overall. So just keep this in mind. You have to be able to build passive income streams. Now, one of the things that I end up doing as a trader that allows me to be able to do that is that I change my mindset for overall trading. I'm not a day trader as much, which means that I'm not looking at being able to stay on the chart, get in and get out of trades each and every day. That's not my overall deal. I would rather be able to sit down in front of the chart, find an opportunity to be able to get into and allow that market to be able to move maybe 2 to 3, sometimes even a week on overall positions. That allows me to go out the larger swings, which allows me to be able to stay away from the charts and be able to allow the market to be able to go through and compound interest on overall trades and create passive income while you're being able to do it. Just think about it. I did work, but only did it one time. I ended up clicking on the trade. It still made me money while I was actually doing everything else that I wanted to do throughout the day, right? I'm a parent, I'm a teacher. I have a lot of stuff that's going on. I have to be able to use passive income to be able to make sure that I can be able to build the income and create the income streams that I want to be able to do. And that should be something that you should be thinking about as well. Now, if I provided value for you, please make sure that you end up liking this. Please make sure that you end up tapping into everything that we're doing. Remember, each and every morning, we end up doing trade with Travis from 8:30 to 9 a.m., being able to look at interactive Forex trading that we can be able to go through, finding opportunities, especially if you're new into trading. If you want to be able to learn everything that we're doing, you can go to cartercowcapital.com/start here to log in and hit up one of our free webinars that we're doing. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow for another trader's tip.